get it right.
A few weeks back, someone asked me, if given a chance, how would you create an equity-based COVID-19 vaccine distribution plan at national level? The question stayed on my mind, and then I planned to pen down and share my thoughts how an equity-based vaccine distribution plan should work and look like. So, here is an equity-based point system for COVID-19 vaccine distribution, especially for lower middle-income countries which have constrained resources. The plan will have two levels, a macro level which will be prepared at central level and a micro level which will be prepared at state provincial level. The states will provide information for a central national plan, whereas the districts will provide information for state level plan on the basis of information or data collected or available from census and other resources. The district plan would also do planning at individual level, which would help to decide who gets to stand in the front, middle, or at the end of the line. First, let us see how does the plan works at macro level. After the state provides information to the center, ranking based on points will be allocated by center to states. Low-ranking states, provinces should get the vaccine first, thus they should get more points in preference from the center because they don't have enough resources to provide optimum medical care to their population. The macro plan can be based on health workforce density or numbers, population demographics, health infrastructure, funding or financial resources, availability of vaccine distribution system. To see the contrast between two provinces, we can see how they may differ from each other as per various factors. Second, at the micro level, the district government will provide information to give ranking to blocks, municipalities, residential and commercial areas, etc. Points will be given to individuals as well. This will help to decide who gets to stand in the front, in middle, or at the end of the line. At district level, same points that were used at the state level may be used to rank blocks, municipalities, residential and commercial areas. At individual level, age group, comorbidity, profession, exposure, as per living conditions, that is population density, sanitation, availability of essential medicines, etc., followed by number of dependents can be some of the factors for ranking individuals. Here we can see that how apart from age, how other factors as well contribute to decide who should get the vaccine first. A 35 years old woman with 2 dependent children or a 40 years old man with no dependents. Or a 45-year-old man with diabetes, 6 dependents and a job in hotel industry, or a 60-year-old man with 1 dependent wife but a work from home profile. Thus, a point system will help to achieve equity in vaccine distribution at an individual level as well. At the end, we can see that a final picture would help rationalize the distribution of vaccine as per availability. Thus, a certain percentage of people from province A or B or C or D would get the vaccine first in phase 1 based on their individual and living conditions and access to health services. Apart from this plan, all top scientists, industry experts, leaders, artists with knowledge of rare cultural art, language, etc. should be given the vaccine first for their extraordinary skills and expertise. Please do let us know your views in the comment section. Do share a word about our channel. See you in our next episode.